The video is about getting rid of pop-ups by the site Enhesita.online, a dangerous site that tries to force you into subscribing to its push notifications. It says that you need to click on the allow button supposedly to watch this video. As you can clearly see, sometimes the pop-up is even able to switch the browser into the full screen mode. However, you may simply press the escape button to get out of that mode. The pop-up by Enhesita.online tries to force you into clicking that allow button in order to show its intrusive pop-up ads. Of course, when the allow button is clicked, the browser is hijacked, people start getting forwarded to many suspicious sites, so that was obviously a mistake to click on the allow button. Now let us fix it. Go to the menu, click on Settings, Site Settings and Notifications. Pay the attention to the allow area carefully. If you find this suspicious site here, remove it from the list and delete other suspicious sites too, even from the block area. I would also strongly advise that you double check your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. The best place to get it is on the official site combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application. Then the program looks like this. It's initially in the trial mode, however it has got some free features: disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. Click on Start Combo Scan and the free research will begin. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs free scanning of your Mac computer. At the end of scan, it gives the detailed report about the current threats found during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. This will show you the exact location of each specific threat, how to remove each threat manually, and for free. You may click on this icon that means Show in Finder, and you may click on it and this will show you its direct location in Finder. You may right click on the adware and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other detected items. Click on this icon and move the detected threat to the trash. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version, which will perform the removal automatically. Thanks for watching.